What's happening, my people? Money day. Let's go through this week's price action and see what potential targets are available this week. Now, it is a new month. We had NFP last Friday. The monthly candle has just begun. So, essentially, let's just get into it. We're going to start things off with the dollar, right? So, from looking at the dollar, and how last week's weekly candle closed. I was really anticipating us pushing for the highs. Okay, I was really anticipating for us to really take out 26th of May's high and potentially even take out this high, which is slightly above on the monthly. As you can see there on the monthly, we do have a monthly imbalance, okay? And we've also got this balanced price range that is resting inside that area. So I do think we're on route to have a bullish dollar, or at least more bullish price action on the way. Also, when we do look at things from a structure perspective, okay, this is our lowest low. We go back, lower high, okay? This was the lower high that created the lower low. If we look above that, we punched above it, okay? So in any case, we're just looking for any, pullback to then continue higher. Now, of course, last week's high is going to be a very, very clear and obvious target for this week, but then also we can target these higher areas above. Okay, I do really, really like this week and how it's looking. I think we're due to have a much better time. Okay. Next thing is for gold. Now, with me looking at potentially a bullish dollar this week, I like to see how today closes. We may reach high into this daily imbalance inside of here, and I want to see us have a slight pullback. Now, I don't think this pullback is going to be a lower low. It is possible for us to actually head lower on gold. It is possible, but I would like to see, because gold is sort of stuck in this range, right? I'd like to see if gold can potentially push up. Maybe we get a potential play out of this breaker here and we head up higher, or we either get a reaction from here and we drop lower. In either cases, okay, we do look like this area is going to be a pretty decent area to look out for in terms of some sort of a move moving forward. Now, today is Monday. We do have bank holiday in England, and we also have a civic holiday in Canada as well. So today might be semi-dead. So maybe look at some of the stocks, NYSE Open, and see if you can find a move there. I don't think pound has moved too much. No, it hasn't really moved a crazy amount. Neither has EU. Okay, so nonetheless, these pairs are in really, really prime areas to give us a pretty decent move this week, and it's definitely a little bit, well, not a little bit, a lot more palatable in terms of the price action that we're seeing. Okay, I would also like to see what the Dow wants to do today, especially on the daily candle, how it's going to close. I do think the Dow can push down a little bit more before we actually start to see higher prices. Okay, so I want to see if we can, tap down into the daily candle down there, and realistically just see how we're going to hold this hourly slash 30-minute imbalance inside of here. But again, we'll look at it as the week goes on. At least for now, the main play is going to be on the dollar, potentially, okay, pulling back, giving us a new weekly high. Okay. Other than that, money day. I'll see you guys throughout the week. Peace.